Question 18, you're going to be building a garden like shown. So it says that the side length has to be between 8 and 10 feet. Okay, so you can make whatever you want, somewhere between 8 and 10. I'm just going to use 8 feet. Okay, because in construction, when you buy boards, they come in 8s, 10s, 12s. So like there's no sense in using like a 9. So this is going to be a square, because it says square, so 8 by 8. Okay, we're going to use 2 boards stacked high. There's 12 metal supports, so what they're talking about with these supports is I have a support there, I have a support there. Okay, these little corner supports. So you're going to obviously have that in each corner. And then you're also going to support them like that by connecting them in the middle. So each corner and each middle. So there's 12 of them. And then we're going to dump soil into that box as a volume. So we got to figure out the cost of doing this. Okay. So let's talk about the boards. Okay, what I have here is the boards are $2.50 per linear foot. Okay, so linear foot is just how long the board is. You're not paying for like the area of the board. Okay, so that's an 8-foot board. So how many boards do I need? So I need 2 on each side. So 2, 4, 6. I need 8 boards. So the length of all those boards is 64. So times 250 is $160. Okay, so I'm going to write that in here, 160 for the boards. Okay, now the metal. So there's 12 of them, 2 in each corner, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 1 along each side, so there's 12. And then it says that each one is $2. So that's all I'm doing, so that's a $24 amount. Okay, and then the soil is measured in price per cubic yard. So we need to do this in yards. So 8 feet, we don't want feet. So let's talk about that. As a yard has 3 feet in it. Also, you can say it has 36 inches in it, because 12 inches, 12 inches, 12 inches. Okay, so I'm going to, instead of doing 8 feet, so to go from feet to yards, I'm going to mark that that's going to divide by 3. 8 feet divide by 3. Okay, so there's this, the length and the width. And the height of this is 15 inches. Okay, but I'm going to have to go to yards, so I'm going to divide that by 36. So the volume equals length times width times height. Okay, you can see how I've converted. So I'm getting 2.37. I'm going to keep that on my calculator. So I have it on my calculator. It isn't an exact number. Okay, and $12 for each cubic yard. So I'm going to just straight in my calculator times that by 12. So I get $28. Oh, actually, I have to retract that. Sorry. Because, here's why. Sorry. I have to do this in whole units. Forgot that part. So in whole units, so I can't do that. I have to do 3 I have to purchase 3 because I have to do it in a whole number amount. Okay, 2, you can't go down, okay, because you don't have enough. So that's 36 bucks. Okay, so I'm going to add that all together there. 24 plus 160 plus 36, so $220. And then we got to calculate with tax. So if I also want to put tax, there's the 5 and there's the 8, so I'm going to times by 1.13. It's $24 or $248.68. Or 60 cents. So you could also have had different ones though. You could have picked 9, you could have picked 10, various amounts.